How Robinhood really makes money, even with $0 fees. Robinhood says investing is free. But in 2025, this app made billions of dollars. So, how does Robinhood really make money? Robinhood has over 20 million users in the United States. It lets you trade stocks, options, and crypto with zero commissions. Sounds great, right? But free doesn't always mean free. Let's break down how Robinhood actually makes money, step by step. Section 1, Payment for Order Flow, Main Revenue. Robinhood's biggest moneymaker is something called payment for order flow. Here's how it works. When you place a trade, Robinhood doesn't send it directly to the stock market. Instead, it sends your order to large trading firms like Citadel or Virtu. These firms execute the trade for you, and they pay Robinhood for sending your order to them. Robinhood makes money every time you buy or sell, even though you don't see a commission. In simple terms, you don't pay with cash, you pay with your trade. Section 2, Is this bad for users? Now you might wonder, does this hurt investors? Robinhood says users still get competitive prices. But critics argue you may not always get the best possible price. Even a tiny difference, like a fraction of a cent per share, adds up when millions of trades happen daily. That's why payment for order flow is legal but controversial in the US. Section 3, Robinhood Gold, Subscription Revenue. Robinhood also makes money from subscriptions. Robinhood Gold costs around $5 per month. With Gold, users get margin investing, higher instant deposits, advanced market data. Millions of users subscribe, creating steady monthly revenue. This is classic FinTech strategy. Free app paid upgrades. Section 4, Interest on your cash. Another hidden income stream? Your unused cash. When money sits in your Robinhood account, the company earns interest by lending or parking it safely. You earn a small portion. Robinhood keeps the rest. This is similar to how banks profit from deposits. Section 5, Options and Crypto Trading. Robinhood makes more money when users trade options, cryptocurrency. These products generate higher revenue because they involve more frequent trades, wider spreads. It's one reason Robinhood pushes options trading heavily, even to beginners. Section 6, Why this model is powerful. Robinhood's business model is powerful because no upfront fees, massive user base, high trading volumes, Small profits per trade multiplied by millions of users equals huge revenue. This is why free fintech apps can still be extremely profitable. Final takeaway: Robinhood doesn't charge commissions, but it monetizes activity. The more you trade, the more Robinhood earns. Understanding this helps you trade smarter, avoid overtrading, use fintech apps intentionally. If you want finance and fintech explained clearly, subscribe to FinTech Minute. We break down how money and technology really work, 1 minute at a time.